Welcome to Summarize Science. Ever wondered if AI truly understands the physical world? Most current AI models are actually spatially blind, which is a major hurdle for developers. This means they struggle to understand 3D depth and geometry from simple flat images. Researchers have discovered that video generation models might be the secret key to solving this. When an AI generates a video, it must keep objects consistent even as the camera moves around. This requirement forces the model to learn deep, implicit rules about 3D space and physics. The researchers introduced a new framework called Vega 3D to tap into this hidden knowledge. It repurposes a frozen video generator and uses it as a latent world simulator. This simulator acts as a 3D guide for other AI models that need to understand their surroundings. Instead of needing expensive 3D sensors, the system uses priors already buried inside the video model. They used a specific video model called Wan2.1 to prove that these spatial skills exist. A key part of their design is something called adaptive gated fusion. This mechanism allows the AI to decide when to trust its 3D instincts versus its language training. This balance helps the AI avoid making common mistakes in complex spatial environments. The paper shows that this method significantly improves performance on various 3D benchmarks. It helps the AI answer difficult questions about where objects are placed relative to each other. It also helps with dense captioning, where the AI describes a scene in great detail. Surprisingly, the model even improved the success rates of robotic arms in picking up objects. This suggests that the AI's 3D knowledge is practical enough to guide real physical actions. One interesting discovery was that the 3D information is most useful during the middle of the generation process. If the process goes too far toward the final image, some of the pure geometric data gets lost. The researchers also focused on making the system efficient by saving and reusing certain features. This allows the AI to process scenes quickly without having to start from scratch every time. Looking at the results, Vega 3D accurately localizes objects even in cluttered indoor rooms. It handles tricky concepts like left versus right much better than previous models. There are still limitations, such as the extra computer memory required to run these large models. However, this work marks a paradigm shift in how we teach AI about our world. To recap, the researchers proved that video models are secretly 3D experts. By unlocking these hidden priors, they've made AI much more aware of the physical space around it. This could lead to a future where robots navigate our homes with human-like intuition. It's a huge step toward creating AI that truly knows the space it inhabits. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.